Dear boys, let us continue the second part of your geography, chapter number 3, mineral and power resources. In first part of the chapter, you have learned about what are mineral, then types of minerals, how are they extracted, then some part of distribution of minerals. To left side of your page number 25, 24, at the left margin you see, do you know, you can always tell if a rock contains copper because then the rock looks blue in color. Now continue. Let us continue it. Asia. This is the continent in which our India lies. China and India have large iron ore deposits. Our country, India and China, they have large deposits of iron ore. The continent produces more than half of the world's tin. So half of the world tin which are produced by world. So half of the tin it produces, more than half it produces here. She index iron, copper and bauxite. So it is marked in the map. It shows iron producing areas, copper producing areas and bauxite producing areas. World distribution of iron, copper and bauxite shows here. China, Malaysia and Indonesia are among the world's leading tin producers. So China, Malaysia and Indonesia, they are among the world's leading tin producers. China also leads in production of lead, antimony and tungsten. Earlier you know, I think. Then antimony, it is a silver white metal that breaks easily. Then tungsten, it is a hard steel gray metal of the transition series. So this lead, antimony and tungsten, these are produced in China. So China leads for these things. Asia also has deposits of manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc and copper. This is about Asia continent. What are the minerals found in different part of Asia? Now let us see Europe. Europe is the leading producer of iron ore in the world. See, iron ore means a rock or mineral from which iron can be extracted. So Europe is the continent which is the leading producer of this iron ore in the world. The countries with large deposits of iron ore are Russia, Ukraine, Sweden, and France. Minerals deposits of copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel are found in Eastern Europe and European Russia. So these are the part where that means this copper mineral deposits of copper, lead, zinc, manganese, and nickel are found. Do you know Switzerland has no known mineral deposit in it? Mineral, you see, Switzerland, it has no known mineral which are found here in it. Now let us see North America. The mineral deposits in North America are located in three zones. Mineral deposits in North America, which are located in three zones. In three zones, these are found. They are the Canadian region, north of the Great Lakes, the Appalachian region, and the mountain ranges of the West. So, boys, mineral deposits here, and these are the places where, or these are the regions where they are found. Iron ore, nickel, gold, uranium, and copper are mined in the Canadian Shield region. Canadian Shield region means it is a large area of exposed Precambrian crystalline, igneous, and high grade metamorphic rock. Coal in the Appalachians regions, Appalachian means it is in the eastern part of USA. Regions, western Cordilleras. So, Cordilleras means is an extensive chain of mountains or mountains ranges. Have vast deposits of copper, lead, zinc, gold, and silver. So, in those regions, they have vast deposits of this copper, lead, zinc, gold, and silver. Let's do identify the Canadian Shield and Appalachians, Western Cordilleras, and Lake Superior with the help of an atlas. Here in this page also, boys, see the index which is given to the left bottom of this map, coal and mineral oil. And by the way, coal, where are they found, and mineral oil, where are they found? It is marked, indicated in this map of the world distribution of mineral oil and coal. So you just get through this one also. South America. Brazil is the largest producer of high grade iron ore in the world. So Brazil, it is the largest producer of high grade good quality iron ore in the world. Chile and Peru are leading producers of copper. Then Brazil and Bolivia are among the world's largest producers of tin. South America also has large deposits of gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum, asbestos, and diamond. South America, it also has large deposits of see this gold, silver, zinc, chromium, manganese, bauxite, mica, platinum, asbestos, and diamond. Mineral oil is found in Venezuela, Argentina, Chile, Peru, and Colombia. So mineral oil, this is found in this region. A green diamond is the rarest diamond. This rarest, which is not found in every places. The oldest rock in the world are in Western Australia. They date from 4,300 million years ago, only 300 million years after the earth was formed. So here we have learned about South America. Now let us see another continent, that is Africa. Africa is rich in mineral resources. It is the world's largest producer of diamonds, gold, and platinum. South Africa, Zimbabwe, and Zaire produce a large portion of the world's gold. The other minerals found in Africa are copper, iron ore, chromium, uranium, cobalt, and bauxite. Oil is found in Nigeria, Libya, and Angola. So, what are the minerals found in Africa? You get here. Now, the next part, next continent is Australia, island continent. So, Australia is the largest producer of bauxite in the world. It is a leading producer of gold, diamond, iron ore, tin, and nickel. It is also rich in copper, lead, zinc, and manganese. Kalgoorlie and Coolgardie areas of Western Australia have the largest deposits of gold. These are the areas of Western Australia which have largest deposits of gold. Now let us see Antarctica is the coldest continent. The geology of Antarctica is sufficiently well known to predict the existence of variety of mineral deposits, some probably large. Geology is an earth science concerned with the solid earth, the rocks of which it is composed. So here the geology of Antarctica is sufficiently well known. People know it to predict. To predict means say or estimate that will happen in the future. Predict the existence of say different of mineral deposits there. Some probably large. There's a chance that means some are large. Significant size of deposits of coal in transantarctic mountains and iron near the Prince Charles Mountains of East Antarctica is forecasted. Iron ore, gold, silver, and oil are also present in commercial quantities. So these are also found here. So transantarctic means comprise a mountain range of uplifted rock in Antarctica. So boys, so far that means we have learned different types of minerals which are found in which continent. Now let us see uses of minerals. For what purposes we are using these minerals, or that means how are they useful to us. Minerals are used in many industries. Minerals which are used for gems, precious stone, are usually hard Minerals, that means, are used in our many industries, and minerals are used for a precious stone which is usually hard. These are then set in various styles for jewelry. So these are then, that means, it make in various styles for our jewelry work. Copper is another metal used in everything from coins to pipes. Copper is another important metal which is used for making, say, coins, pipes, wires, like that. Silicon used in the computer industry to obtain from quartz. Silicon means it is a non-metallic. Now it is a non-metal used in making electric circuits. Then quartz, okay, a hard mine, or say it is a hard mineral. Sorry, it is a hard mineral consisting of silica found widely in igneous and metamorphic rocks. Aluminium obtained from its ore bauxite is used in automobiles and airplanes, bottling industry, buildings, and even in kitchen cookware. Kitchen cookware means pots, pans, dishes in which food can be cooked. So this aluminium, which we obtain from its ore bauxite, and it is used for making aeroplane, bottling industry, building purposes, and then kitchen cookware. Let's do, boys. You have to do this one. List uses of any five minerals. You have to write the uses of any five minerals. Now, uses of minerals. You have learned, boys. Where are different types of minerals found? That one also you have learned. See, now it is an important part of the chapter which we are going to do now, that is conservation of minerals. We need to conserve, we need to save of our minerals. Minerals are non-renewable resource. It cannot renew. If it is finished once, then gone forever. That's why they are known as non-renewable resource. It takes thousands of years for the formation of and concentration of minerals. Concentration means the action or power of focusing or one's attention. So it takes thousands of years. The rate of formation is much smaller than the rate at which the humans consume these minerals. The rate of formation minerals, these are much smaller than whatever human beings we are consuming them. It is necessary to reduce wastage in the process of mining. So it is necessary for us, in order to reduce wastage in the process of this mining. Recycling. Recycling means converting waste into reusable. Recycling of metals is another way in which the mineral resources can be conserved. So this is another way how minerals can be conserved. So here also, boys, you mark, and you have to write any two steps how minerals can be conserved. So you can get this answer from here. Write two steps how minerals can be conserved. Or why should we conserve minerals? This one also can be asked. Why should we conserve minerals? It is very easy. You can write power resources. Power resources. Let us see those resources from which we get power. Shani's mother begins her day by switching on the geyser. She irons Sunny's school uniform before waking him up. She then rushes to the kitchen to prepare a glass of orange juice for him in the blender. Blender, that means mixing match like that. Shani, have you finished taking bath? Come and have your breakfast, calls out mother while preparing breakfast on the gas stove for Shani. So this remark made by Shani's mother. While going to school, Shani forgets to switch off lights and fans. When mother switches them off, she thinks that life in the cities may be more comfortable. But its dependency on more and more gadgets, all of which consume energy, has led to a wide gap between the demand and the supply. Gadget means boys, electric device. Okay. Then, uh, with the advent of science, means with the arrival of science and technology, the lifestyles are changing very fast. So, yes, that means science and technology it developed. So, the lifestyles of mankind is also changing very drastically at very first. Power or energy plays a vital role in our lives. Power or energy plays a very important role in our life. We also need power for industry, agriculture, transport, communication, and defense. See, power it is required for our industry, for our agricultural purposes, for transport, for communication. Communication means exchanging of information by speaking, writing, or using some other medium. So for communication, see, we are using mobile phone, telephone, this thing, okay? And defense. Defense means who are defending us. Our armies like that. Power resources may be broadly categorized as conventional and non-conventional resources. So power resources it can be grouped into conventional and non-conventional. So this up to here, boys. About these conventional sources, we'll discuss in our next class. Till then, all of you, bye bye. See you again.